Welcome to this series of videos about the usage and installation of virtual life support. In this video, we will be explaining the basics of virtual reality and show you how you can start virtual life support. First and foremost, ensure you have enough space around you. The space you need is approximately 3 square meters. We recommend using an anti-slip floor mat and to use Velcro tape to attach the mannequin to the floor mat. If you have this available, put it down on the floor and attach the mannequin. If not, just put down the mannequin. Ensure the mannequin's head is on your left-hand side. If the mannequin is in the correct position, pick up your VR headset. The power button is located on the right side of the VR headset or on the left side on the Quest 3. Briefly press and hold it, and check for a white light on the right side of the button. This indicates it's on. This indicator light can also display in other colors. This means the headset is charging and displays the amount of battery left in the headset. Green stands for full, orange stands for almost empty, and red stands for completely empty. Ensure the headset has a full battery charge before using virtual life support. To turn off the headset, press and hold the power button while you are wearing the headset. If you don't hold it long enough, the headset will be put into standby mode. Keep in mind that standby mode will slowly drain your battery life. When you have powered the headset, you can put it on. If you wear glasses, it's recommended to keep them on if they fit comfortably inside the headset, but be careful when sliding the headset over your glasses. Make sure the headset is secured by adjusting the rotary knob or tightening the straps. To check whether the headset is firm in place and well attached, make sure the image inside your headset is sharp. If it's blurry, you'll need to tighten the headset. For an optimal experience, the sound needs to be turned on. Use the buttons along the bottom of the headset to adjust the volume. Virtual life support uses hand tracking. You can select items by pressing together your thumb and index finger. Virtual life support cannot be used with controllers. If hand tracking isn't working, ensure there's proper lighting in your room, as dim environments can affect tracking. If you're still facing issues, you can check out the instruction video about hand tracking. The first thing the headset will ask you is to confirm the Guardian or Play area. This is the free space you have in the real world. It's crucial to set up the Guardian accurately to ensure you don't bump into objects while immersed in virtual reality. You first have to set and confirm the floor level. Do this by pressing your flat hand against the floor while looking at your hand. After this, you need to press together your thumb and index finger to draw a virtual line to mark the borders of your free space. When you have done this, navigate through the menu and select Virtual Life Support. First, choose the language you'd like to use. Press the button with your stretched index finger. Next, select the modus you'd like to use. Check if the head strap is still properly secured. Select the mannequin you're currently using. If the mannequin you're currently using isn't listed, you can use Other and manually set the height of the mannequin. The positioning of the virtual mannequin has to match the position of the physical mannequin. To calibrate this, use the thumb and index finger of both hands to drag the outline of the mannequin over your physical mannequin. Once you have calibrated the mannequin, you can start using virtual life support. Thank you for watching this video about setting up virtual life support. Check out our other instruction videos. You may also want to visit the FAQ on the Virtual Life Support website.